So next up, guys, got an extremely nice unit here. It's a Miller Big Blue Pro 300 welding generator, guys. 10 kW generator, set up obviously to be a welder as well. It's got 22 horsepower Cat 3013C diesel motor. Very, very clean, guys. And as you go around this thing, it's mounted on this pallet, but box is in excellent shape. Basically, looks to be about new, guys. I mean, just definitely one of the cleanest welding generators we've had in. Right around 1900 hours, starts up right away. I'll just give you a quick demo. But there's your hours, 1929 hours. It's got a fresh service on it. Starts up really easy, guys. That's in auto throttle mode there. Real healthy sound unit. Comes from a good home, real company. Up to date on the service. Really clean welder. So there's a demo, guys, on the Miller Big Blue Pro 300 welding generator. Good luck, guys, with auction time at Old 20 Auctions.